If you're planning a wedding and you want a clean, simple way for guests to RSVP online, this tutorial is going to show you exactly how to create a wedding RSVP page in Squarespace 7.1. By the end, you'll have a polished page with a form that collects names, attendance details, plus one information, and even dinner preferences. It is a great way to keep everything organized in one place, and it saves you from chasing replies through text messages, emails, and calls. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Squarespace tutorials just like this. Now let's get into it. First, log into your Squarespace 7.1 website and go to the Pages panel. This is where you manage all the pages on your site. Once you're there, look for the Not Linked section. Keeping your RSVP page here is important while you're building it, because it lets you work on the page privately before anyone can see it on your live navigation. Next, click the plus icon beside Not Linked and choose Blank Page. This gives you a completely clean starting point, which is ideal for an RSVP page because you can build exactly what you need without extra sections or clutter. After the page is created, give it a clear name like RSVP or Respond. Keep the name short and simple so guests instantly understand what the page is for. For now, leave this page inside the Not Linked section. That way, it stays hidden from your main menu while you continue setting everything up. Later, once the page is finished and ready to share with guests, you can drag it into your main navigation folder and make it live on your site. Now click Edit in the top left corner of the page to start designing it. Once the editor opens, you can begin adding the RSVP form. Click Add Block and then select Form. Squarespace forms are a great option here because they let you collect exactly the information you need in a clean, easy-to-use format. Place the form block neatly inside your Fluid Engine grid canvas. Take a moment to position it well, because a centered and balanced layout will make the page look much more professional. You want the RSVP page to feel elegant and simple, especially since it's for a wedding. A neat layout helps guests focus on the form without distraction. After the form is placed, double-click the block to open the form editor settings. Give the form a clear internal name, such as Wedding RSVP 2026. This name is just for your own organization inside Squarespace, so choose something that helps you identify it easily later if you ever need to edit it. Now it's time to build the actual RSVP fields. Start with the required name field. Add a standard text field and label it Guest 1 Full Name. This makes it very clear who is responding and helps you keep your guest list organized. Since this is a required field, guests will need to fill it out before submitting the form. Next, add a radio button field and label it Will You Be Attending? This is one of the most important parts of the RSVP form because it lets guests respond with a simple yes or no choice. Set the options to Joyfully Accepts and Regretfully Declines. These labels give the form a more wedding-appropriate tone, while still keeping the response clear and easy to understand. After that, add an optional text field for +1 or Guest 2 full name. This is very useful if guests are allowed to bring a date or another attendee. Keeping this field optional is important because not every guest will have a +1. That way the form feels flexible instead of forcing people to fill out information they don't need to provide. Now add a drop-down menu for dinner preferences and label it Choose Your Main Course. This is a great way to collect meal selections without taking up too much space on the page. Add options like beef, salmon, vegetarian, or allergies, specify below. If you want, you can also adjust the wording to match your wedding menu, but keeping it simple and clear will make the form easier for guests to complete. Once all your fields are added, go back to the main form panel and find the Submit button section. This is where you can rename the button text. Instead of using the default Submit label, change it to Send RSVP. That small detail makes the form feel much more personal and on theme for a wedding. At this point, I also recommend reviewing the form one more time to make sure the order makes sense. A good RSVP form usually flows in a simple way: name, attendance, +1, and meal choice. The easier it is to fill out, the more likely guests are to respond quickly and accurately. You can also style the page to match your wedding branding. For example, you can adjust fonts, spacing, and colors so the RSVP page feels consistent with the rest of your wedding website. A clean, elegant design can make a big difference and create a better experience for your guests. When everything looks good, save your changes and preview the page. Test the form by filling it out yourself to make sure each field works properly and the Send RSVP button looks right. If everything is ready and the page is complete, you can finally move it from Not Linked into your main navigation folder so guests can access it easily. And that is how you create a wedding RSVP page in Squarespace 7.1. You now have a simple, organized, and professional way to collect guest responses online. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more step-by-step website tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.